Alright, hey guys, so today I have a couple things to show you. The main focus will be my new Rubik's Cubes. There will be some other stuff, but main focus will be Rubik's Cubes. So, first off, the original 3x3. Everybody knows about this. This is like the original Rubik's Cube. This is a GAN 356 RS, non-magnetic, but it's still pretty fast. So I'm going to start off with a simple solve. And then do some tricks. And so start the stopwatch. So we're going to do 0, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we've solved the bottom. Now we're moving on to the middle. Way more than I need to think. Okay, now we solved the middle. We're moving on to the top. Currently on algorithm 7. Using the layer by layer method, not CFOP. $49.12. There you go. So first I'm going to show you some patterns. So this they call a send off, but it's really just like doing this but a little more flashy. And then there's the, I haven't come up with a name for this one yet, I just called it loop. And then there's the what I call the R28. That did not go as planned. So bear with me while I solve it once more. Currently doing algorithm 9 now. And 10. And then that's solved. So here's the R28. So that was the R28 loop. Here's the M2 loop. So now patterns. Here's the checkerboard pattern, a little common one. You know about the super flip in which all corners are flipped. I can't do that yet. Hopefully I will be able to soon. So get the, that's called center switching. Put it back. There are more complicated ways of doing that, but for now let's move on to the Rubik's Cube. So instead of moving face-centric, I guess you would call this moves corner-centric. So you can see this corner is not moving. That's because it is attached to its own axis. So, scramble this thing. By the way, this is a GAN Skewb M. So, let's see, ready, set, go. "15-second solves." My record is something like 11 seconds. So we can get that in focus. Yeah, 15:22. So there is a loop you can do on this. It's just doing this, which is called center switching for a Skewb, obviously. And at certain steps, it makes these cool patterns like this. Eventually, if I do it right, it's back to being like that. My record for this is 11 seconds. My record for the 3x3 is 26 for a normal solve. Oh, by the way, there's a way to solve the checkerboard pattern. So, let's see. Ready, set. $35. Not too bad. So I did say there would be some stuff not Rubik cubing. So just for a little update on my model building about this little Gundam, which I'm not usually into. This is actually a snap tight model. So you can see, like, he has, so, let's see, the OZ06MS Leo. It's 16.2 meters tall, weighs 7.0 tons. This is 1 to 144 scale. So this little rifle here is a 105mm rifle, which would normally be considered like a howitzer. Like, that's like the big guns, like bigger than that, and that's like 115mm, which is like for really heavy jobs. Whoops. He has this little circular shield. Whoops. Just pull this hair off, conveniently demonstrating that this is a snap type model. So you see, it's got like a shield, and in the shield, pop it out, stick this on, and they gave him a freaking lightsaber. Can you believe this? Not only does he have like the most bruh gun, not most bruh, I don't even know, my brain is failing me for words to describe this gun. It's so good. But anyway, so they gave him a freaking lightsaber. How anime is that not? Oh man. Anyway, so it's good. Got a number of steps. See, some cool pictures on the back. Yeah. Let's see. Anyway, I guess I'll just show you like one more speed solve of this Skewb, I guess. Maybe the 3x3. I'm actually maybe thinking about getting a 2x2 cube. 3, 2, 1. This ain't gonna take a cake. $37. Ouch. Anyways, I think that wraps up the video. Anyways. Now I remember. So, I have a new knife. Spring action. My friend Logan gave it to me. He has a YouTube channel too. It's Logan Hoyt, I believe. That's LOGANOHYT. He does like whip cracking and singing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Till then, I'm Bear. See ya.